I couldn't wait to try ibex backstrap fillets with my family and friends. And that's exactly what happened that same evening as we all gathered back at Hotel Restaurant La Fuentes. The head chef there had agreed to allow me to cook the ibex steaks on one of his grills. This is the ibex backstrap that I took off of my ibex on top of the mountain. We're going to cut this up into little steaks and see how it works. He thinks we're absolutely crazy for trying it. We're going to do it, all right? You kill it, you eat it, right? We're going to butterfly these, and then these will open up just like that right there. That actually looks beautiful. It reminds me of caribou a lot. Sergio, let me show you your piece. That is your steak right there. What do you think? Yeah?
Very good.
Ibex. Yes. All right, here we go. Sea salt. This is culinary chef Jaime Cites. It really is. I'm impressed with what it looks like.
You are the boss?
Yeah, you take it. It's all yours.
Looks good.
My friend Simona, our waitress, is going to be presenting the amazing ibex.
Esto es macho monte que había cazado esta tarde. Para que lo tomáis.
Okay, what does that mean, Sergio?
This is the ibex. You will have fun today, and we prepare tonight for dinner. Okay?
Thank you, Simona. Thank you. More.
It smells like a barbecue. Kind of.
Bon appetit.
It sure is something.
Wow, it's
Good. Are you kidding me?
Never know what that face means.
Yeah, it's good. Wow.
Wow.
Does it need
That
some,
is good.
need some oil?
It's good.
That is really good.
Wow.
Look at Sergio. Look at Sergio's like, I don't know.
That is
I don't
seriously
believe
good.
it.
Dude, that is fantastic.
A different taste.
Very good. Tastes like chicken.
Are you? It's not as bad as you guys.
How about that?
Yeah.
And I don't even know how to cook.
Can you make the black?
When Spiritual Outdoor Adventures returns, we'll head to Madrid to visit the Royal Palace while Dorothy Griffin stays behind in the Andalusia Mountains to try to fulfill her dream of harvesting an ibex. Will her persistence pay off? Find out for yourself when we return.
As Dorothy Griffin continued her quest for an ibex, the other ladies from our group were exploring the beautiful Spanish countryside and the snow-covered mountains and the coast of the Mediterranean Sea.
During our day trips, the ladies hiked and explored an old mining town called Los Menos de Sorón. This old town has been partly restored and converted into the Hotel Apartamento Las Menas of Sorón. This place is a definite must-see location for historians and hikers and photographers, nature lovers, anyone who just wants to breathe in the clean air and marvel at the stunning scenery. Our day trip experiences are something I always look forward to on Jimmy's filming adventures. And the Andalusia region of Spain didn't disappoint. We went from the top of the mountain where we played in 3 feet of snow at Calar Alto Observatory all the way to picking up seashells and sea glass in Garrucha on the shores of the Mediterranean Sea. The sun right there, just gorgeous. Look at that. Of course, the food anywhere along the Mediterranean is out of this world good. We even watched the fishermen bringing in the fish and shrimp to be weighed and auctioned off to restaurant owners and chefs. We enjoyed some of these delicacies in the whitewashed town of Murcia in the province of Almeria. It reminded me of a hillside village in Greece. There we walked through the original doorway to the town built in the 16th century.
One of the things I love about our Spiritual Outdoor Adventures trips is there's something for everyone to do. Hunters and non-hunters alike share in these adventures, and this one in Spain is turning out to be one of our best trips ever. On Sunday morning, we gathered for worship, then loaded up and started the 5-hour drive north to Madrid. Dorothy Griffin had not yet harvested her ibex, so she and my daughter Kristen decided to stay one more day with Antonio to try and get her ibex.